I am a father, a sibling, and a son. I am a campaigner and an advocate for justice in the world. My name is Casey Harrell, and I have ALS. I was completely blindsided by the news. Cried with Levana for about 10 minutes straight over a Zoom call with the neurologist who diagnosed me.
He stopped wanting to leave his bedroom or just be out in the world, and it was always just really frustrating because no one was going to be able to really hear him. And so he would just suffer in silence and be excluded from all conversations.
I want to live so badly, and this is not easy. If you are like me and want to fight for dignity and for more years with your family with the highest quality you can, you start pressing every button on the keyboard that you can reach. So when I read about this trial, I was actually interested because it was happening now, and it was eligible for me. The first research session happened about 4 weeks after the surgery.
To see Casey realize that he was actually talking and people could understand him was amazing. Like, I just wanted that for him so badly, more than I wanted it for me, just to know that he could be heard and understood.
I have 2 different chips containing 256 different technology connections to my brain. And it is learning and getting more accurate as well. About 99.5% as opposed to 97 beforehand. This actually allows me to keep a job and do it productively with some level of accommodation. And it is the difference in being able to feel like I am still effective in my craft, in my job, and whether I'm able to get money to provide for my family or not.
Right now, he has to choose between communicating or going outside and seeing the world. And 100% of the time, he will choose to communicate.
Hey.
I love you both very much.
You too. I love you, Case.
What would be my life without this device is so crucial and integral to my life now. Compare this to running to catch the last car on the train. With other technologies, I am completely lost. I would not even attempt to try and catch the train. But with this technology, if I play my cards right, I have a fighting chance to get hold on the last leg of the car, pull myself up onto the train,